Yanko eye Peter Toobu, ex-police officer, ranking member, defense and committee. Yera Toobu anapeme mo ache.
Mini abapa cho mejo so mama mfa kwanye ozemenchia atifu na menye a correction kakra.
Okay.
Me a member of the Defense and Interior Committee. Me ranking member is Honorable James Agalga.
So member of the Defense and Interior Committee. Yera Toobu yedasi papa for the correction. But we are ex-police officer.
Always a police officer.
Thank you. Meaning how you assess current happenings in this country. Down on a Millennium City. Down on a Boko. Soldier for ne prison for. Enra opposed for me. Yabo mutuo ekuomo. Uba assess anything.
Mina bampacha mdasi. Mama mfa kwanya uzima abusuya for yako. Abusuya omo ade si wo kaswa. Abusuya ade ni si wo trasako. Babi abusuya wo bi amofhwe omo this year. Esi rade enso mo kuma mo den. Na on sha mo den. Me mamo yako. Minya ba se oti se etu etototoa. Ade ba ko ase odi tutu se etu na bakrom. Inkrofo kitatuo. On kitatuo on dimi tutu onkumo bi. Etu na bakrom na yetutu kuro kumo bi ni chura eno so kire se etu na wokrom no enya ade a emrada ho. Enya ade a mukita krata. Illegal weapons ho asem na meka. Let us say illegal weapons are wura kromu no se chom. Inkrofo kitatuo. Adenti na obia yina adwen se menyatu a mekita. Akronfo pese mo kitatu no mukum nipa. Inkrofo pese mo kitatu na fa bo mo ho ban. Because kumkum ba se ya obia be yere no se menyatu no kita. Se na ya ba metima ayeden metima bo me ho ban. But se si aye kan ne okitatu yi oye dan ko hu se ne okitatu yi o kita krata ana emrada ho. Ne okitatu yi on kita krata odidi bone. Je epie ansana ya ho. Ne esi wakaswa yi mamemfa kwanye wosamembo police for abaso. Ni esi wakaswa yi in front of the police station. Police for me chi nipa yi alive. Police for na wakaswa no Inspector General of Police Dr. George Akufu Dampari. Ese utimi bo mabaso. Because me amegina he me di police ajayi. Menjin di senka nipa ya chi no kebechi na alive. But Oma who say bia na obetima nya nipa ba ko bi. That might discover say enya ono nko na yes ade no. Bia no mo ye be 10. Okunu wi a sa 9 na mo aka nyina onhu omo biom. Sa kukuduro mo ye omo nya ya omo antima nkunu. Omo achi no in front of police. Wa kum nipa. So police for antima nkunu ya chi no. E bo ma ba so pa. Na esi wo trasakoi. Mini aba National Security Strategic Document no more. Minya penny honorable kandapa. Or throw mo say unemployment, youth unemployment, is the greatest threat to our nation's peace and security. Mrante number ba one more obvious number bia omunijuma bia the hopelessness is their life. Okitetua ejuma odibedi no. Ebe ho. Na edena police for omun shata dia o makoti no mo ba bia o ma pon djuma na obi timoto su no chom na pain no okumo eya yem hyehye me ne waye kasai ebetima yewo ebetima yeme ebetima ye obi a ana se ya tete omo ya hwehwe omo asem sha asienti ena mkoye sana aya targeted killing aya accidental killing ana se den because they come movie no man demand factory intro say be an robbers or movie on near be dabi
honorable matese ba kokra no was transferred from Tema to Accra or a part of the visibility or a CID wo mo de ne buy on attachment and tell bia
great so bisa who say sa police for ya enkrofo ko chum ana a mistaken identity ya hwe police for bi na ya describe ya chron ana omankasa na hwe police for no eno mo kofi se ebia ewe no ma e ka se mre bia chom an robert ko kum ya ye nua ya na obonyuma ye obi agi ni tumi lake dube omo ko kum lake dube wi ye no akiro mo hu se na nipa na omo kum no a omo pese omo je ne ka na e lake dube omankasa omo sunye omurawe se be kuma obi kura na nipa ya ono bonyuma ya de chichiri ya wura ne kokunu san mistaken identity. So sometimes criminal investigation ye wura mu na wa na dan kura no kokum nipa what ten nipa no obi aye wade ma na ye why decide so kokunu a okokunu na enye ono a anaze we no mo aye madwin se ebi amakwahia muhu so moti ono na de se bibia si se jet tutu bomb na kom kwa na ko anaze ni na gina police force. I may encourage Ghana Police Service, very particularly Criminal Investigations Department. Dr. George Akubu Dampar, mi bo diana paya na ma chia waka say ma woni nko Criminal Investigations Department omo kwase the crime detection I say yejuma say detection na yejuma investigation ya na edin say detection yejuma investigation ya mremre say investigation yemra mo mfa nko gina court na yehwe ne court for the can now it is becoming one too many.
Are we safe in Ghana? Yeka bambo semwa asoja fo ne yeku wo mu yi police fo ene wo mo je wo mu die yentimem fo are we safe?
Pacha me dase obi a we president bia your friend the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, your friend the chairman of the National Security Council. Ghana fo ina ye komane ye bibia ka bo mu na ye ka se pacho dienim so anapa ye ka say say no bi say are we safe no me sure say president ankasa ono so tibabi say hey me na my president and name si ko say what am I supposed to do because odimu na ye yoba ye beka odimu na bonisia ye be bodin so ne ekọ nyina no ye mbisa the chairman of the National Security Council say me pacho de neko me nua pani honorable kandapa me sure say about this an ordin Dr. George Akubu Dampare me sure say about this an ordin but me know why ordinary civilians there ehu ebe kan say ehu kan wi enso a security is all about the feeling of safety. Say who can not officer upia bonte uyem shishiwa you are not safe. So o feel say uyem shishiwu onkwa wonam na ote obi bibie kekre e wo chi and aduna uyem ahyewa it means that you are not feeling safe. Say basa minyaba enye obi na beka chiro say you are not safe. The fact that o security nankasa around you are not so confident about it, you will feel that you are not safe. And obi abeka say hey hu but hu ni nyina chi ni esi no I say abamba for omo hono so say soldier ne president officer be kokko siani what kind of indiscipline is that? Are the money structures soldier for is a whole society there was structure command and control president for more whole society is a structure command and control na mumi na kwagina bontin ebobobom ho na de na nkofo hemo. It was so embarrassing, and I expect that the Director General of Ghana Prison Service or the embassy from the Chief of Defense Staff or the embassy from we should nip that nonsense in the bud. Obisha Tadeno Namabondino or Gugana Nimasi Ayana. We are civilian, I don't have a problem. But Obia take you, I will say uniform. Ubufoba, there is some level of training, you catch that anger and become professional. So before Bana say behavior to say also a civilian, Titiana Titiana, Pastor Ben also. Who at the mouth said by Humban, Pastor Ben also. We need to rise up about this. I'm sure say a time is coming. The security sector of this country must be reformed.
Honorable, the security service junior rank, not just the junior rank, some senior ranks make a soldier for and the police, some are angered by how their leadership juma. In terms of an apewoka senipanwa, post for na juma ewo Millennium City, ye mo mabaso ebewie no. Se o ma juma so say you know, ni ebuye ni eguso. Ni e dia basobode ne ma afofra wo mo bembe wo mo. How are wo mo baby o ma tetenem wo ma semba ase katasumo mu aso wo mu wu a wo mu ebusuafo ye wo mu ne ade ya tete bi se emu nhada anyo e wo ho, and that is why they are also reacting in that particular manner after empanyinfo no de press release about bonten to calm them and allow investigation to go on as a committee. The ayati matibi
Minya bampacho medase ade baako a nkurɔfoɔ nim ne sɛ police gyina hɔ ma borɔfo yɛka ne sɛ police is the coercive arm of government. Police yɛ aban aba a sɛ aba yɛde tete nkwalaa akwalaa yɛ adeɛ na ɔde aba twana anaasɛ ɔde ba twanakyi ɛno police ɛna aban use ɛde saa adeɛ no woyɛ bɔne a aban de police ɛkɔrɛtew. So police is the coercive arm of government. Mekae sɛ ɛnkyɛ bia the vice president CCI ɛmmerɛ bi a yɛkɔkum obi wɔ is Legon atomic police station. Okay, Chief Inspector Slavery. Yɛkum vice president can say or the CCTV cameras that police station be to protect police. Ordinary the chairman of the economic management team. President Niwa, ordinary the chairman of the National Security Council. Ordinary Nwaka. Yɛhyɛ kakra say yanhyɛ besi na kɔntanko bisa no sɛ saa deɛ na yɛkum police na ɔde na no kɔka ya obi agye di sɛ attention of the state towards the police officers must be important or yana. So aban nankasa nfa the protection of the police officers serious a nka yɛnka no sɛn biom ade baako ɛwɔ police mu anaasɛ uniform work menua ba woyɛ hwan na sɛ wohyɛ uniform ade baako yɛ so important in your life ne sɛ rank woma police ne sika ɔmpɛw woyɛ ne dan a sɛ ne rank no ɛduru hɔ sɛ wode bɛma no na woamfa ma no a I am telling you it doesn't matter what you do na ne ngye da ma menka nkyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi de deputy commissioner of police akɔfie bɛsi nɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ wobɛte police din biom obi the chief superintendent of police akɔfie bɛsi nɛ wobɔ police din a wobɛbɔ odua adan because ɔnyɛ chief superintendent of police wade chief superintendent bɛyɛ 5 years ɛka kakra ebe promote no yɛatwɛn a ɔkɔ fie wie no the next 2 months ɛna promote no made for no to assistant commissioner saa yaw na ɔde akɔtena fie no wobɔ police din a ɔbɛka sɛ mpakyɛ ɔgyae menkumi ho biom already na wasom Ghana for over 30 years ade baako a wɔ uniform work mu sɛ woyɛ chief of defense staff woyɛ inspector general of police woyɛ director general of prison service chief fire officer comptroller general of immigration of ne two omofo anapa yi the rank is there grad they will embarrass you at woyɛ head of any of these security agencies adeɛ mmienu pɛ ɛna ɛsɛ woyɛ o fa wo nan baako si civilians no so the population ma ɔmo ne ngye sɛ kuruma adwoa ma ɔmo na fa wo nan baako si the internal population a wɔwɔ no your men and women in uniform working that for you woda ɔmo no fa wo nan baako si hɔ and make sure that they are also happy yes sir I just said police now standing at this onai baako si civilian population so mo bo just mo bo baso so wo ya de yetime da the kuruma ye boko ya da se onai baako no make sure that the men and women in uniform that you represent they are also happy. If they are happy, then you become a good leader. Yeah, one side, not just one side, you are in trouble. But Mamenka, promotion there. So I say, me know, and I go school away, I be police, I could do soldier, I could do immigration. But there me ejuma me commander. Me a very lazy. Obi anim say me very me ejuma. But commander am Madam Fonti. Oh, IGP say mo special recommendation back umbra. Near why na danfo no a commander danfo no or the need and so be a station who be an himself on pejuma. Oh yes sir, you are killing the spirit of the hard working ones. Near be catch say hey so see I never call there mamin tinda ya ye ku ye ho no and recommending obi a on nam ha onya hwe no on na commander danfo nti odi need ko say eh ya yonko fa ana yonko sem na ye enya djuma dia na ye tinda ne obi hu an say obi shatade but the spirit is gone. There is something we call morale. Se moral be ba ejuma no mu ma o shatade pia bondi na okuma to yim on na ma na wapeje otia it has to be command and control properly no kweda ho na waka ya se ebia okura commander na wo ho no nkola be se 20 ehye wase wo ho na obi akọ free ba bia be yi ba akọ se me man a special recommendation ebra wan kasa commander na wo ho no wo a wo commander no you have not recommended any of them and wo a commander no obi ambisa wo me a me hwe omo so no mentimi nkyerɛ sɛ we na yɛ obi a ofira bonte ba yi ba akɔ afiri mase ɛkyerɛ me sɛ we yɛ papa ebia na bibi nti ɛnyɛ adwumonti ɛba saa ɔmo a mo ka nyina including the commander himself they become disgruntled but your uniform dwuma no emra da ho there is something accountability and transparency ɛba obi a no bɛgye Me no na ye adwuma minim say what be say me minim say oni adwuma say me you recommend you more and become like you. But if they recommend the wrong person, it dampens the spirit of many good working people.
Right.
That's it's a problem.
Honorable Committee, Security and Legal. Then amoya fasa and sensem ye kosui and tokwe si ewo boko etu ayabo sojani any police foi. What are you doing in recent times? The etete fa bambofono.
Mpacho me that's it. Now say I'm appointed the new minister for the interior. Mina Honorable Henry Cote. Oba no. First statement me say o make you say oh you see police for people call police academy. You got to tell my senior police officers. What it is be an ninja and on my instruction. Munchun science number be hwem and I'm much science. I'm much science me wa no see. O mama kwan say omonko. But Honorable Henry Cote once man say be kan kire say ni enti a me say me yen science a much science. Ni enti a afede yama kwan say omonko no. Say ni say na tie wan kasa. What is the meaning of that? Or one or one kasa can say, my catcher IGP. Say the additional list be ba. Another special recommendation list. I'm going to join this uncle for we. Or say inshallah at Ramadan time. And I'm young because me ba bon me can say, Honorable Minister, me onia, as you may my be pay, and I'm my job count whole parliament. Opa adventure frame. Ghana Bambo Hunti, Yanya Politics or Defense and Interior Committee. Ope adwin out the bois, Aya Jumani ya, Frame Peter to never be bois. But Nyawaka Bontino, you have embarrassed the ministry, you have embarrassed your own office, and what animasi. It is not the responsibility of a minister of state. So, catch IGP say, my catch IGP say, yeah, listen for only one layers are listening. Let's now we are looking for the free. Dino Musha was see another Musha IGP. And how much I say? You don't have any rights, you don't have any power, you don't have any administrative power to do what you are doing. Oh, you're a policy man at the policy level, over the policy biaba, now assistant procedure and administration. But policy being by idea, the operational head, the administrative head of the police, the Inspector General of Police. Untimi kwanya IGP juma. Nya okita wa bontene IGP juma. Nya wakoka wa bontene IGP juma. Minya minister, untimi nya why. Se utimi yanso dia wa gu juma no. Because ochina IGP be ba uti office wa na dia the list abro mpacho we na epese won ko college no for moko. You don't even know where they're getting the names on there bro. Because as you pen. Anytime I can say utimi yes adie na I will mark it on the wall. Say nyankopon onto yankwadam no onyinche no hu ne oyeye na they said diabana oduaye no efifia police be gu, and that is irresponsibility of a politician. If he say na dia ko duro there I say my ni break. If it's all about security, let's talk about it. Yeah, but open ya e kanwa adebeti obeka say hey oya ndis ni hey oya MPP ni hey oya police ni hey oya driver hey oya oba hey oya obema whatever it is, you see nipa no wide. So when it comes to matters of security, young kind of ni breso. And yet, serious matter and a threat to this country. And say, youth unemployment. Mrantia mwa ubi school amoni nam ha muhunya omonyano. Ah, why you so frustrated, desperate? Ko airport na ko he. Obeka se Ghana fo nyina na e pam yen. Ko embassy, Canadian embassy, ko American embassy na ko he. Obeka se ye nyina na e ko. What has happened? There's so much desperation, frustration in the economy. And that's it reflects insecurity. So the security threat in the country now, it is an indication that the economy is bad. So one of them say, oh, the security for, and yes, security for. It is a sign of a very bad economy. So it's a sign of a very useless economy.
Honorable, so I ask, what is the committee doing?
The committee, as I'm talking to you, there are things that at the committee level, of course, we will do. But there are things that at the National Security Council level, they must also do. There are things that as the president of this country, he must also do. The committee will, of course, meet and will review and invite the new minister. We will try to listen to the new chief of defense staff. I will try to see the security sector and bring back my own brother, Honorable Kandapa. The security of this country is in your hands. What we are observing, Obiase, Gomunjoye, Minianum, Monamodano, Ede Namoye, Yanubia committee, so say, why drink Chilebia, ye bobo hua, ne a charge in Senaya, Ede a dream bobom natchez a Ghana, a fanasum jituma afra.
Honorable, you are a friction war Minister of Interior, any IGP in Temda Dapo, as the Bonidi. In fact, IGP, Arch Minister of Interior, paying, so time no one Minister of Interior. And you already Minasipobi Waho. Moya way.
Mina Bampachomedasi. Dr. George Akufu Dampari, dear. Me please say, ye Paja, and say, oh, dear, your police, you might. Ya more quiet, your police, you might. Mina, sir, oh, your minister, no debona ebecho. I will call Bridge, oh, your minister, oh, your wine. Oh, your minister, you are under the Constitution. Oh, your hen, you are under the Constitution. Oh, your soldier, oh, your policeman, you are under the Constitution. Police correct me chief police. Police is chief soldier. Soldier no chuka rough work me ebecho. So oh, your soldier into your soldier near undi mraso. But young kasa ne a try ho. Hey, now one to say is Dr. Dampar or chief soldier you know. Share. Akwano nya correcto. Otimi kwa chief soldier. Otimi kwa chief ohene. Hey, enya wahu. Enya na yen na musa. But ayen so ayen sha no kwan. So the issue about say watching the pen there, and say our by minister, he says, Sana or more can no credit. Man, say, Nipana or no agipino, or not all crana, or yet the boss. Watch your pen. So watch your pen, so dear. Make sure, say, encouraging no. So what match me pen cry? Why no one dimension? Everybody in this country is a potential criminal. And for that matter, everybody in this country is arrestable according to law. Arrest is a legal procedure. Ya chuna wanyanja court. Oko court. Wasimu woman court be ma kwa ma wakofi. So when you are enforcing the law, you enforce the law without fear or favor. Simple and short.
Right. Me na wase na pay say when ya brama ye ne edidi nkomo. Ne din e Peter Toobu, honorable. Why member Defense and Interior Committee. Yeah, Nana Siana Pay say 1 year to train come on.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah, General.